baling first cut on Friday, someday in July, the 14th, 13th. I don't know what day it is. It's about 9:15. This stuff is starting to get tough. I've got a nasty rattle. I don't know if you can hear it. My monitor is rattling. I got to get some rubber washers to get that vibration from going into that before we shake it to pieces. I don't know if you can see anything. The windows are very dirty. Quite a crop. I'm going pretty slow. .7 miles per hour. It's kicking out bales pretty steady. This field's over a half a mile because it goes into the next quarter. The other quarter is cut off by the railroad track, so it's part of this farm. I don't know how long it is, but it's a over half a mile stretch. I'm getting 8 bales to the round. Well, not the round, to the windrow. We've raked 2 14-footers into a 28, and it's a big swath. If they ever get rained on after you break them together, you're in a lot of trouble. We know from experience. You don't want that to happen. It's a little tough at this end because the trees kind of shelter it. Don't let the wind come through, and it's real heavy alfalfa that was lodged and matted down. Last thing you want to do in the last round of the day is plug up. I know that from experience too. So I don't know if we're going to be... That bale didn't get tied. Whoa. I don't know if we're going to be able to finish this tomorrow. But we'll get awfully close if we don't. And that would be good. Hello. Pay attention. I better let you go, or I screw up something. Nice evening.